Welcome to Doomsday Prepper on YouTube. Today we're discussing the worst places to live in the United States. Areas in close proximity to high-priority targets for nuclear strikes, such as major cities or military installations, are particularly dangerous due to the high likelihood of being directly impacted by nuclear explosions. The immediate effects of a nuclear detonation include intense heat, blast waves, and radiation, which can lead to widespread destruction and loss of life. In addition to the initial devastation, the release of radioactive fallout would pose long-term health risks for residents in these areas. Fallout consists of radioactive particles that are carried by wind and can spread over large distances, contaminating the environment and exposing people to harmful levels of radiation. This radiation exposure can lead to various health issues, including increased risk of cancer, genetic mutations, and other serious health problems. Areas downwind from nuclear power plants or nuclear testing sites also carry risks of radioactive contamination in the event of accidents or incidents. While safety measures are in place at these facilities to minimize the risk of radiation release, accidents or natural disasters could still result in radioactive leaks or releases, posing risks to nearby communities. That being said, living in areas with a high risk of nuclear fallout presents significant dangers to both immediate safety and long-term health, making them among the worst places to live in the United States in terms of nuclear disaster preparedness.